can just see Lily finds it quite difficult to play violin. He played a few notes. Lily stumbled behind. Now just see, look at the word stumbled is not walking. Stumbling is when you don't walk properly. So stumbling behind as far as the notes of music are concerned. That stumble behind that she could not produce the same kind of notes which were being produced by the music master. Him on her violin, which looked quite helpless and unhappy on her in her hands. So it seemed as if violin also seemed to be unhappy in Lally's hand. It was really, wanted to get free. What a difference! The music master's notes seemed to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracts of melody. It was like the wheels of a train fitting smoothly into the rails and whizzing along, as Ravi said. Mridu stared at the huge beringed hand. Beringed is that he was wearing a ring. Hand moving effortlessly up the violin stem, making lovely music. Now just see. So Ravi is also impressed by the kind of music that is being produced by the music master. He compares it to a train that is just moving ahead on its track, and nowhere it seems going out of melody. And Mridu also, calls it as music that is being produced effortlessly. Effortlessly means it was being produced without much hard work that was being put by the master. So it simply means that master was he was perfectly into his art. He was perfectly into creating sweet music, sweet notes of music. Squawk, there was Lily yelling again. So just see, nowhere um, sweet music is produced by Lily. So somewhere they have used some words, the words like squawk, the words like which we have just come across in the last page, that is which was the word, sorry, just one second, creech. So these are the words which are used for the music that is being produced by Lily. Amma came now. Just see, they were just looking at, they were just observing the music lessons of Lali which were going on. So meanwhile, what happened, somebody called from outside. Amma came a wail from the gate. Wail is cry, as if somebody was in pain. Amma, oh, Ravi, send that beggar away, cried his mother from the back veranda, where she was chatting with Tapi. So, yes, it simply means that the whale has come from a beggar. Some beggar has come. He might be standing at the door, and he's calling somebody. He's calling somebody for help. But yes, they don't want beggar to enter into their periphery, the periphery of their house. He has been coming here every day for the past week, and it is time he found another house to beg from. Pati explained to Tapi. So yes, Pati is explaining Tapi why they are shooing the beggar away. So the beggar had been coming for a week, and now they wanted that the beggar should leave. It should move to some other place for begging. Mridu and Meena followed Ravi out. The beggar was already in the garden, making himself quite at home. Quite at home, that it was relaxing. He had spread his upper cloth under the neem tree and was leaning against its trunk. Apparently, is clearly prepared to take a little snooze. Snooze is given in your book also, short sleep, while he waited for the alms to appear. So the beggar had been coming there for a week. It simply means that the ladies must be helping him, or they must be giving some alms to him. They must be giving him some food to eat. So that's why he is relaxing under a neem tree, and he has just spread his sheet there, or upper cloth there, so that he could lie against the tree. But yes, the ladies are not going to help him anymore. Go away, said Ravi sternly. Sternly is somewhere firmly. He said firmly that his mother doesn't want him to be here now. My Pati says it's time you. Sorry. My Pati says it's time you found another house to beg from. The beggar opened his eyes very wide and gazed. Gazed is looked carefully at each of the children one by one. The ladies of this house, he said at last in a voice choked with feeling. So he got emotional that he couldn't speak, are very kind souls. I have kept my body and soul together. In their generosity is again kindness for a whole week. So keeping body and soul together means he had managed to stay alive. It is given in the book also. So they had been helping him to keep him alive for a week. So he's so filled with emotions that he couldn't speak well. I cannot believe that they would turn